Are you one of those wondering how to generate this new AI dance, this new AI baby dance? Come with me. Let me show you how to generate it with CapCut. All right. First thing, go to TikTok, search for any dancing video of your choice. Select it, save it to your phone, then go to ChatGPT, screenshot the video that you downloaded, screenshot it, and tell ChatGPT turn this photo to 3D baby character, baby cartoon character. Turn this photo to 3D baby cartoon character. That's what you will tell ChatGPT. Then you wait for it. ChatGPT will process it and then see the photo. All right. Then once you save it to your gallery, then you will take it to CapCut. You click on new video, upload new video. Yeah, then you select the picture that ChatGPT generated for you. Then you will stretch it to 12 seconds or 10 seconds. All right. Then that is what I'm doing. I'm trying to stretch it to be exactly 10 seconds. So always stretch your own to 10 seconds or 12 seconds. Then once that is done, you will scroll down here, scroll down, then you will see this mimic motion. Then you allow it to recognize. It's recognizing. Once that is done, it's recognizing 99%. So let's wait for it. Seems it's like I'm rushing. So that is done. Then you will tap this plus sign to bring in the video. All right, bring in the video that you want to use. So yeah, this is the video now. The reason why I did it 2 times is that the video must also be 12 seconds. If the video is more than 12 seconds, CapCut will not allow you. So the video must, I went back and I trimmed the video to be 12 seconds. And this is it. You allow it to generate. But one thing is that it's not free. You must have credit and you must have pro. Look at it now. I generated the first one, but this second one, they didn't allow me to generate. I have to pay how much again? That's it. See the result of the one I generated. Thanks for watching.